Dinosaurs weren't killed by an asteroid. That's humanity's biggest misconception. What really killed the dinosaurs was 10,000 times more terrifying than an asteroid. 66 million years ago, an asteroid slammed into Earth. You think the dinosaurs at impact zero had it worst? Wrong. They were actually the luckiest, because they died in 1 second, didn't even feel the pain. The dinosaurs thousands of miles from the impact point, they experienced true hell. They endured scorching heat. The moment of impact, trillions of tons of rock got blasted into the sky, then rained back down like fire. The entire Earth became a giant oven. Surface temperatures skyrocketed to 570 degrees Fahrenheit. Forests spontaneously combusted. Seawater boiled. Dinosaur skin got roasted within minutes. And that wasn't even the worst part. Those dinosaurs who survived by hiding in caves and water had to face 10 years of darkness and starvation next. The sun disappeared, plants all died, the food chain completely collapsed. The last batch of dinosaurs didn't die from the blast, didn't die from burning, they starved to death. What terrifies scientists most is this: from the first dinosaur's death to the last one's, how much time passed? Not a few days, not a few months, but tens of thousands of years of prolonged suffering. What does that mean? It means for tens of thousands of years after the impact, every single day dinosaurs were dying on Earth. Every single day dinosaurs were struggling to survive. Every single day dinosaurs were taking their last breath in despair. That's the truth that really makes your skin crawl. Now let's rewind to that day 66 million years ago, a morning that seemed totally ordinary. The sun rose as usual, warm sunlight streaming through the dense forest. Triceratops munched on ferns with their heads down. T-Rex patrolled its territory in the distance. Pterosaurs traced elegant arcs across the sky. Not a single creature knew death had already locked onto them. At that very moment, tens of thousands of miles out in space, a massive rock 6 to 9 miles across was hurtling toward Earth at 12 miles per second. How fast is that? 60 times faster than a bullet, 58 times faster than sound. This rock came from beyond Jupiter's orbit. It had been drifting through space for millions of years. Today it finally found its target. 3 hours to impact. Dinosaurs on Earth were still living their normal lives. In North America, a herd of Alamosaurus was migrating. They were the largest land animals at the time, 69 feet long, weighing 30 tons. To maintain bodies like that, they had to eat a ton of leaves every day. A mother had just laid several eggs. They didn't know these eggs would never hatch. 20 minutes to impact, the sky started changing color. The bright blue sky slowly turned an eerie orange-red. The dinosaurs stopped in their tracks, craning their necks to look around. They sensed something but didn't know what. 1 minute to impact, a light trail appeared in the sky, getting brighter and brighter. That light was more blinding than 1,000 suns. The entire world instantly turned a sickly white. Dinosaurs hundreds of miles away had their eyeballs seared by the intense light, going blind on the spot. They couldn't see anything anymore. They could feel something terrible approaching. The moment of impact, the entire Earth shook. The asteroid slammed into the shallow waters off Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula at over 43,000 miles per hour. The impact released energy equivalent to 10 billion Hiroshima bombs exploding at once.